Now let's make this fun farm style bow. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, take a piece that's long enough that if I make this bow into a wreath bow, I can tie it onto a wreath, or you can tie it onto anything else. I'm going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra, and tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to go to the overhead camera. Now what I'm going to do is take my, I call this my bandana ribbon, I don't know exactly what it's called, and lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'll take more, and again we've already dovetailed the tails, so you don't have to watch me go and dovetail everything. So all I'm going to do is a traditional bow here, where I'm just going to fold it back and forth, and fold it, and just double check that my loops are the same size, and they are. So all I'm doing here is just folding, and bring this back around, and I've got 4 loops there. Then what I'm going to do is make a funky bow. So I'm going to twist this, and this is known also as an awareness bow. Put my tails going down, then bring this back, and this one we don't have to twist. Then I'm going to make the same bow going the other way, or so we're just going to make 1 loop, bring it back around, and lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take this, and now because this goes in one direction, I'm going to bring this here and bring that going up, and bring this in here. So we have tails going up and tails going down. Then we're going to make another bow that's just a simple fold and twist. So again, I'm just going to fold. Whoops, let's really twist that there. And fold it. And make these loops the same size, and twist, and fold, and twist, and fold, and twist, and come back around and fold it in here. Then what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to grab my wand, give everything a really good push so everything stays down there. Then I'm going to take some more of my bandana ribbon. Now if you want to know the dimensions of what we're using in the bow, and this is what we call a shoelace bow. So I'm going to bring it together here, fold it in half, put the right side of the ribbon down. Oh, as I was saying, if you want to know what materials we use, the lengths and everything in the bow, then definitely check out the description in the box below this video. And then we're going to go ahead and just make a button loop. And now this button loop ties in the moo ribbon that we have back here, or cow ribbon, I don't know what you call it, but I call it my moo ribbon. And then I'm going to just give everything a good scrunch. And it's fun to do the different styles of bows within one bow, because you don't have to use as much ribbon, but it looks just as full as a really big bow. So now we're going to pull this out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, tie another knot, and now we're just going to shape it. So I'll start with my button loop here, bring this ribbon down, this, bring these up here, this down, this one down, bring these apart here. So this just makes it look really full. And again, these are all wired ribbons, so I just have to put my fingers into the loops to shape them. Bring this one, these around here. And now we have this absolutely beautiful wreath bow or door bow, or it could even go on a gift. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.